So our next award will be given out by my colleague, Beatriz Sousa.
So the next one goes to Milda. Hi. Milda is a civil engineer from Lithuania. She studied at Southampton University. She is part of the WFEO, for Young Engineer Future Leaders Committee. She set up a group on the SDG 13 there, aiming to contribute to the sustainable development of countries by deploying young engineers' work in climate action. I'm getting that all okay? Okay. And you also started Engineer Enterprise Social Initiative, helping STEM professionals. Maybe you would like to talk about some of your initiatives. I was not supposed to be here, so I'll be doing a disfavor to you if I don't give you some time to think about it.
Okay, thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Thank you very much. Actually, I nominated quite many people for the awards, not this one, but before. And this is the first time when I was nominated, and I still don't know who nominated me. So thank you very much for that person. And it's a pleasure. And once I've heard that I've been nominated and I will be awarded, I said that to my friend. And his first reaction was, I didn't know that you are a specialist in ethics. But I think that's really nice, because this means that anyone with any background can be actually specialist in ethics and do something nice, and it's really a pleasure. Another thing which I wanted to say, Gopal, who just was speaking before, I know him also personally, because I invited him to one of the events at COP26 in Glasgow last year. So it's just a proof that it's such a small world. And it's, once again, thanks a lot for organizing team, for Shenja, for Don. It was amazing meeting you. And this forum is really a great initiative, which I think is the second time when this is happening. So I think that it will be definitely growing and growing every year, because it's such a unique opportunity for electronics industry to discuss ethics. It's a really congratulations on this initiative.
Super. Well, congratulations. It's a great pleasure to have you here with us today. Just, Milda, if you'd stay with us for a moment, come over to the side of the stage here. We're just going to take a photo of you with your award and with Beatriz.